Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to create digital planner using Canva and to sell it on Etsy. So first thing you will do is open Canva, which is a popular online graphic design tool that allow users to create various type of visual content, including social media, graphics, presentations, and much more. So it offers a user-friendly interface in the wide range of pre-designed templates like stock photos, icons, fonts, and other design elements, making it accessible to both professional and beginners to start design on Canva. So first thing you will do using Canva is open an account. So you can try to sign up for free account using your email address or social media accounts, or you can try Canva for free to access to more pro elements and pro templates. Second thing is choose the design type. So once you are logged in, Canva will present you with various design templates to choose from, and you can either search for a specific type of design or browse through the available categories. So here guys, you have the front page, and you can tap here and click on digital planner that we are searching for today, and here you can start searching, and you can choose here and keep searching for digital planners that you can choose and start customizing. We can make easy things like this and this without even paid elements if you want to. And let's try. So let's try for example something like this one has paid elements, so we will try something like this, and we will change it easy and quick, and click on customize this template. And here guys, you have the backgrounds, and you can add another pictures if you want to. Like you see here, you can add more pictures, whatever. We will keep with the first one and go here and click on elements, and here guys you can use elements like you see, and here you can use graphics, stickers, linear shapes, and photos wherever you want. First thing we will do, we will delete this picture, and you should know that you can upload your pictures on Canva if you want to. All you need to do is upload picture if you want from your gallery or from your files on your computer, or from Pinterest, whatever you want. Click on upload and choose a journal, a picture here for your journal. So we will go with, I think, this one, and what we will do is we can make it as a background, but I don't think it will fit with this trick, because look, it's a wallpaper for phone, it's not fit. But I think we will go with something like this, and I think I will go with wait for a second. I think I will go with this trick, yes, and I will show you how. So if the wallpaper doesn't fit, all you need to do is click and tap on the wallpaper, and then go with this, tap on here and click on set as a background, and now click on here, and here you go. So for example, like this one, just for example to show you, and you can go with this trick if you want to, or you can do what I did before, or you can just keep with color. So you can tap here for pink. You can search for colors if you want here and choose colors from here. It will give you a lot of colors and you can choose from. And also this one, so you can here choose shapes and change the colors if you want to again, and change these text style, and you can change the color also, and you can change the color also here. Also you can change here this one and change the color. So for example, here you can change the text style also, and let's see another text style and go with this one and go with effects, and here you have effects, and here you go. Also guys, you should know that you have elements here, and here guys you have stickers, thing that you think if you think you want to add wherever it is, you can add things from here. And for example, I will show you how. So you can go with this one here, you go, and change this one's the color, and like this, and you have a lot of things that you can add. And this is it guys. Once you are done, you have animation, so you can go with animation to anything. So here you have here this one, you have this one animate, so you can go with this one too, this one too, like this. And if you want to do animation, then you want to post it first on your social media, so you can go here and click on social media. Or you have here, once you are done, you want it as a picture, you have download, choose a file and go with download. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like the video, and see you on my next video.